What's going on, regular dudes? Today we're going to mount this bench vise to my table. Something I've been needing for a really long time. Finally got a hold of one. She's a little old, a little rusty, but everything seems to work. So here we go. I'll give it a shot. We're going to mount this vise to this bench with these lag bolts, 3/8 lag bolts. I already got it set into place. So really all I'm going to do, drill me a little pilot hole, spot where I want it to go, then send these in. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's see what we got. Let's make a little room here. Now you don't have to drill a pilot hole, but a lot of times it just makes it easier for these lag bolts to get lined up. Don't sit there messing around with them, trying to find a hole or trying to make a hole. Yeah, we got a good little bite on that one. What it is, there's a 2x4 for my frame here. I'll make sure I'm staying in that. Give it somewhere good to hang on to. There you go. She's on there now. Hey, I shook the wall doing that. But everything worked like it's supposed to. Let's see if she'll lock down like it's supposed to. I don't have a hammer on hand, so I'm using this old railroad spike. There you go. Put a little WD-40, little Kroll, little weasel piss on here. I think she'll do just fine. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.